Hi student, our first lecture about database. Let's start. First of all, I tell you what is database. Database is the organized collection of structured information, data typically stored in computer system. So this is database. So here is our example. Let's suppose this is some information. It is raw data and we cannot understand what is this. So I tell you this is the information of students. First of all, this 40 is the registration number. This is the name of students. This is the NIC of student. This is the age. This is gender. And this is email address. And that is the phone number of students. We arrange the data in table form. Table is the main structure, main element of the database. So you know well about the table. Check here. 40 name, mail, CNIC, 36 age, cell number, and email address. All these entry are related to one entry, and this is the second record of students. This is form in the table. Now you can check. Heading name, registration number, name, gender, CNIC, age, cell, email. These are all called field name, and every field name is associated with specific data type. For example, registration number contain only digits, numbers, and store numbers in registration number. This typically unique number and there is no replication in data. So we associate it, we call it as a primary key. Similarly, name contains characters. These are strings. Only characters are stored in name field, and name field containing varchar variable character type data type. Similarly, gender is just like a list male or female. CNIC just character, age is 36. This is all field associate with different data types. So one record of any entity or any entry is called row. This is row. Let's suppose we call it row 1 and this is row 2. This is row 2 and all the entry against this registration number show here. Similarly, these are the primary key and unique entry of the student. And as we say, every field associated with different data types. So these are default data types which is provided by MySQL database. So you check here int, varchar, decimal, date, time, blob. These are different data types which are associated with different data field. So you can understand well what we have, what we do here. Please listen again. We arrange the data in table format. Table contains rows and columns. Every column has one heading, and this heading is field name and field named associated with different data types. Every row number is one entry against any data, so you can check or create multiple rows in table, and table grows in rows, every rows, and every rows has unique primary key. Here is your registration number is the main primary key of table, so you can understand well about the database and then table structure.